In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your Academy Sports gift card balance. We'll walk through each step together, ensuring you can effortlessly manage your gift card. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Safari, Firefox, or any other that you like. Once your browser is open, type in the search bar, Academy Sports, hit the Enter key to perform the search. This step is crucial because it sets the foundation for finding the right website. Remember, using a trusted browser keeps your information secure. Once you see the search results, look carefully for the official Academy Sports website. It should be one of the top results. The website URL will typically include academy.com. Click on this link to ensure you're heading to the right place. This is important because visiting the official site helps avoid any potential scams. Now that you're on the Academy Sports homepage, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. There, you'll find a section labeled Gift Cards. Click on this option to proceed. This will take you to the gift cards page where all relevant options are available. Navigating to this section quickly will save you time in the long run. On the gift cards page, you'll notice several options. Look for the one that says Check Gift Card Balance and click on it. This is a key step as it leads you to the tool you need to verify your balance. Once you click, you'll be taken to an area where you can input your card information. At this point, you should see fields asking for your gift card number and PIN. Carefully enter your gift card number in the designated field. Make sure you type it exactly as it appears on your card. Then, move to the next field and input your PIN. The PIN is usually found on the back of your card and may require you to scratch off a protective covering. Take your time here, as entering incorrect information could lead to errors. Once you have entered both the gift card number and the PIN, the next step is to click on the button that says Check Balance. This action will prompt the system to retrieve your current balance. You should see your gift card balance displayed on the screen shortly after. This confirms that your information was entered correctly and the balance is now updated. And there you have it, the complete process to check your Academy Sports gift card balance. Remember, this method is reliable and ensures you are always aware of how much you have available to spend. Being knowledgeable about your balance helps in planning your purchases better and prevents any surprises at checkout. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping with your Academy Sports gift card.